for tuning into this video. My name is Regina and welcome to Naturally Corporate. So I am going to be experimenting with some temporary hair color today. I'm using the Curl Color by As I Am, and this is the color Bold Gold. And it's a hair gel. And a few things about this product, I wrote down a few notes here. It's temporary color and damage free, no bleach or lightener needed. It works perfectly on dark hair. It's infused with Jamaican black castor oil and ceramides. It's a medium hold curling gel, non-greasy and flake free. So that all sounds good to me. My hair is naturally sandy brown or dark sandy brown, and I don't ever have any plans to color it. It's the only hair color I've ever known, and as a child I knew that, you know, the older adults and relatives and stuff talked about my hair in a good way, you know, complimented my hair. But it wasn't until probably high school and when I started working and then going to college that I realized how big of a deal my hair is to some people, because people pay to try to get my hair color. So I really now I appreciate it. I'm using the color Bold Gold, and this does come in about 5 other colors, so there are a total of 6 in the As I Am collection. Bold Gold, and another color that I have tried that I really like is Hot Red. It's cute, it's really pretty too. It comes in purple, green, silver, and blue. But I think the Bold Gold is more me. It fits me versus the other colors. Oh, except the Hot Red, but the Bold Gold I think will fit me. I do work in a corporate office environment, so I like to keep things pretty low key, and I don't think this will turn out to be like a light bulb blonde on me. It may be pretty subtle, and I started thinking about it when I was debating whether I wanted to use it. I think like honey blonde and honey brown are fairly common hair colors that you may see in the workplace anyway, so I don't think this will be too much. I'm excited to use it. I've already done the back section of my hair, so let me show you that. And you can see that when I looked in the mirror, I can definitely see the color. And I think it's really pretty. It's not over the top, and it's just perfect. So all I have left to do is these 2 sections. Online, it does say not to use on soaking wet hair because of the color transfer, and you don't want color getting on your clothes and all over your sink or your walls or what have you. It recommends that you use their Jamaican black castor oil, I think it's a Jamaican black castor oil water and one of their leave-in conditioners. So I do have the classic leave-in conditioner by As I Am, and I've already put it on the front half of my hair because I noticed that it doesn't have a whole lot of slip. This gel does not. That's what it looks like. I think it's pretty. It doesn't have a lot of slip at all. So I needed to make sure that my hair wouldn't be like bone dry, because I don't want it to come out looking dry and crusty. That is my only fear. But based on how the back is looking, I hope it'll be okay. Oh, and as you can see, I have on my gloves. It recommended that you put on gloves too, so you won't stain your fingers. But when I used the Hot Red color a few months ago, I did not wear gloves. And of course the color got on my fingers, but it washed off with just regular soap and water with no problem. Okay. So there we go. So you can see this is my hair color. And then there is my hair with the gel on it. applied all of the gel and I like it. I'm excited at the way it's looking. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more up here near the roots. And you know what? I wear side parts, so I wonder if I should go ahead and flip it to the side that I want my part on now, or part it now. We'll wait till it's dry. Or do I want to do a middle part today? All right, we're gonna leave the part where it is. Why not? Okay, we're gonna leave the part where it is. So let me turn around and show you what my whole head looks like with the Bold Gold Gel. All right, it recommends that you sit under a hooded dryer to let your hair dry, so that's what I'm going to do. And we're gonna see how this looks when it's all dry. Look who's back. Hey y'all. I'm back with my new hair color and I kind of like it. I think I really do like it. It's subtle. I feel like I look so orange. I know that's probably a combination of the hair color and I got a suntan. We were on vacation last week and I did get a nice little tan here, but and I was gonna put on foundation for this video. My foundation doesn't match because my skin is browner, so I need to get a new foundation or something. But anyway, back to this temporary hair color, this gel. I think I like it. My hair does not have a lot of moisture, but I really kind of didn't expect that because there wasn't a lot of slip with this going on, even though I used a really good amount of the leave-in conditioner. But I have some decent definition. And this section is so pretty. This is my nape area, but it always behaves well anyway, so I'm not surprised. And the rest of it doesn't look too bad. I can definitely work with it. And I'll turn around and show you the back because I very, very often forget to do that. And I like to see when other YouTubers are doing a hairstyle, sometimes, excuse me, they forget to show the back, and I like to see the back. So let me show you that. I do have like a tail action going on. So this is my low porosity section. And when it dries, it just kind of shrinks up, but I think I can work with it and just try to stretch it or something. But yeah, and I do have, now that I'm running my fingers through it, I have a bit of gold on my hands, which is to be expected. But I'm glad I sat under my hooded dryer because my hair is 100% completely dry. When I used the hot red gel, I air dried and I felt like my hair never really got like super 100% completely dry. And whenever I would touch it, it felt a little greasy, and I had the gel color on my hands. It would wash right off, but a little bit of annoying. But I don't feel any type of greasiness with this. So definitely, I say when you use it, try to, if you have a hooded dryer, use your hooded dryer to get your hair completely dry. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this part though. It's really off center. It's not in the middle. It's not even on the side. It's just kind of right here. So it doesn't look so bad, but I think I'm going to maybe bring it over just a little bit more so I can have more fullness on this side, like intentional fullness, because right now it's just accidental fullness. But I think this gel, these colored gels, the curl color by As I Am, I think it is a really cool way to change up your style, especially if you've been thinking about curling, if you've been thinking about coloring your hair and have been on the fence. This is a good way to see what your hair might look like if you want to go to a gold color. And the same thing for the hot red. Like I said, it wasn't a bright, vibrant red on my hair, but it was pretty subtle. So I think the whole idea of colored gels, of temporary colored gels, is great because you get to change your hair color without the commitment of having to get it dyed permanently. So the more I am looking at it, the more I like it. I really, really do like it. And then I can wash it out in a few days, which is good. It's kind of like press-on nails. I love them the first 3-4 days. But in about a week, I'm like, oh, I want my regular nails back again. So I might feel the same way about this colored gel. I'm gonna love it now for the next few days, but then I may want my own natural hair color back. So I think I'm just going to do a little something with this part. Or try to. All right, so the more I look at it, y'all, the more I like it. I really do like the color. And of course, it's not too drastic, you know, than my normal hair color, but it is kicked up a few notches and I like it. I like that it's temporary. So if I change my mind and want my own hair color back in tomorrow, I can just wash it out. That's how I feel about my press-on nails. I love them for like 2 or 3, 4 days, and then I'm like, I want my real, you know, my regular nails back. So who knows? I might be the same way with this, but for now, I like it. It's still, I think it's still me. It's low key, but with a little bit of flair. I think that's how I view myself. At least I do. And I didn't put any harsh chemical in my hair. So that's the beauty of having a temporary hair color, a gel like this. You can have some fun with it and make up your mind if you want to go the permanent route or not. A lot of, you know, ladies with natural hair don't want any type of chemicals in it that will alter their hair. So if that's you, because that's me, but if that's also you, then the temporary color is the way to go. I like it. Easy application, inexpensive, and let me know if you want me to try any of the other colors. Wait, nope. I am only willing to try the blue and the purple. That silver, nope. And neither will I try the green. I'm not feeling those 2 colors, but I might be open to trying the blue and the purple because I think they're so dark that, you know, I will try it for y'all. I'll try it for y'all, but still got to keep it naturally corporate, you know, the keyword corporate. So I don't know how the blue and the purple will look, but I'll try it. They may be nice and dark and subtle and low key like me. So anyway, I say try this product out if you are thinking about coloring your hair and just want to play with it a little bit. Give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep it naturally corporate.